So you want to write great code, but here's the problem. How do you pick the perfect code editor? What if I told you the right editor could save you hours of frustration and make coding feel like a breeze? But choose wrong, and you might find yourself in a battle against your own tools. Stick around, because today we'll solve that for you as we rank the top 5 code editors for developers, revealing which one is the ultimate match for you. Let's start with the undisputed king of popularity, Visual Studio Code, or as the cool kids call it, vscode. It's free, lightweight, and packed with features. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of editors. Extensions, unlimited. Themes, endless. It's like a customizable coding playground. But here's the real kicker. It supports almost every language under the sun. From JavaScript to Python to Rust, it's all there. And honestly, if you're a developer who hasn't tried VS Code yet, are you even a developer? Just kidding. But seriously, it's that good. But hold on, what if you're someone who craves simplicity without all the bells and whistles? For you, we've got something sublime. Enter Sublime Text, the editor that lives up to its name. Fast, sleek, and so lightweight, you might wonder if it's running at all. Sublime is perfect for those who love a distraction-free experience. No pop-ups, no clutter, just you and your code. It's multi-cursor editing, a game changer. Imagine editing multiple lines of code simultaneously. It's like having superpowers in your hands. But wait, there's one catch. It's not entirely free. So, is it worth the price tag? We'll let you decide. Next up, what if you're someone who wants to dive into open source magic? Let me show you a hidden gem. Meet Atom, GitHub's love letter to open source developers. Think of it as the friendly neighbor who's always there to lend a helping hand. Atom boasts collaboration features that make it perfect for team projects. And here's the cool part. It's highly hackable. You can tweak it to your heart's content, making it truly your editor. Plus, the community support is like a treasure chest of plugins and themes. But let's be honest, if you're using Atom in 2025, you're probably also the type of person who still plays Snake on a Nokia. Kidding, but yes, it's not the fastest. So what if speed is non-negotiable? Let's explore an editor that practically zooms. For serious developers who demand performance, meet the JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA. It's not just a code editor, it's a full-blown development environment. Think of it as your personal coding assistant, catching bugs before you even realize they exist. Its smart code completion feels almost psychic. It's like having a senior developer whispering solutions in your ear. But here's the deal. It comes with a price tag. If you're a professional, it's worth every penny. For beginners, though, it might feel like bringing a rocket launcher to a snowball fight. Now, let's wrap it up with a classic that stood the test of time. Last but not least, the old but gold Notepad Plus. If you're looking for simplicity and speed, this one's for you. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and surprisingly capable for its size. Plus, it's been around so long, it's practically a rite of passage for developers. Is it fancy? No. Does it get the job done? Absolutely. Notepad Plus is perfect for those they just need to get this done moments. But which one should you choose? Here's the bottom line. So there you have it, the top 5 code editors for developers. VS Code for flexibility, Sublime for speed, Atom for open source fans, IntelliJ for professionals, and Notepad Plus for simplicity. The real question is, what's your coding style? The answer will lead you to your perfect match. Speaking of perfect matches, did you know that your code editor isn't the only thing that can compound your success? Check out our next video on the power of compounding and see how small changes can lead to massive results, whether in coding, learning, or life. Click it now, and I'll see you there.